all back together. Oh, that's a lot of shit in there. Lots of water came out. Lots of rust in it. But I found most likely the issue of my weak or not working hydraulics. That will be on focus. This little pin here, which goes in here, which is for your hydraulic control for the pump. Shit. I'm not sure if I have the correct O-rings for these. Maybe one of these will work. Next step here is to clean up this top cover here, because as you can see, it's really rusty. And dirty and whatever, right? So I think my plan is to maybe I'll spray on it, since you know it's right here all over. Then I'm gonna take it out and hit it with the pressure washer. See how much gunk I can get off. Wait, baby. You don't want to take this part too. She's really sloppy. Both pins. Actually, it's just this side. I wonder why. But either way, there's so much slop in it that it's not controlling the hydraulics properly because there's so much slop in it. So, yes, I will take that out. Like, look at how wore out that is. Do you see this? Look. That shit's crazy. See, that's supposed to be a circle. Like that one. But it's not. All right. Top lid, 3-point hitch, arms, and cylinder are now all back together. This ridiculous amount of play in the arms is remedied. I used, as you can see down there, it's a bolt head. I used a long bolt, cut it off at the shoulder and made new pins. Drilled through them, obviously, put cotter pins through, and that has, eliminated the extreme wear on the pins that were in there, like this. It's an old pin. It's been in there for like 70 plus years, likely. So now, the next step in the process is to install it onto the tractor. So I will, I'll give it a quick buff there, and then lay the gasket down, and we will bolt it up and then fill it with fluids and make sure everything's sealed up, and I don't know, test it out, I guess, eh? Well, there it is. It's all back together. Feel like it's going down a little bit, but I'll tell you what, the old way, or before I rebuilt the pump and all that, it would be on the ground already. So, not only does it go up again, it stays up longer. So, I call that a win. Nice. Perfect. Let's go see if we can do some back grading, see if it holds the pressure like, well, it should. Before it wouldn't hold a height at all either, so that was one of the other things I wanted to get fixed. Right now it's holding perfect.